The first step to get things going will be to install WordPress. So we're going to use WordPress as a platform in order to install other software to get our shop up and running. So here I've signed into SiteGround. You need to navigate to My Accounts and then to the cPanel. Once you're in the cPanel, if you navigate down to the WordPress installer, and then select install. So we're going to make a new instance of WordPress in a folder, in this case called shop. So this is going to make a new folder in our web directory. So I need to choose a database name, so I'm just going to call this shop. So if I do go into the database, I know what part of the database I'm looking at. The site name, we can change this later. I'm just going to call this shop, and the site description, this is a shop. And again, you can change this information later on. This is the most important part. So the admin user I'm going to call admin, and the password you need to try and remember. Now you can see here that it says bad 23, so you need to achieve a green. So it's a case of typing in a complex password, something that you're going to remember though. So I'm just going to call mine admin. Okay, and then you could also choose an admin email. This is going to be important. So you might want to use your college email there, just in case you forget your password. It will be sent to you. So once you've done that, that's literally all we need to do there, and then press install. So now what's happening is that we've made a new folder, or it will automatically make a new folder and install WordPress. If you have any problems at this stage, it's likely that you haven't filled in the information properly, or it could be where before we typed in the new folder name, it might be that there's already a folder called that name. So you can see now it's installed, and it tells you where the new installation is. So in this case we made a folder called shop, so our new URL in order to get to that shop is just here. So I'm going to copy and paste that into a new tab, and here we go. So that's WordPress installed.